Who said camping can't be fun, easy, and gorgeous with the ambiance? I'm Brooke with WTI, and Mountain Summit Gear has done exactly that with their Alcove three-person tent. It is a beautiful, well made, perfectly designed tent that comfortably sleeps three adult sized people. And I love that I can simply just pop it open from two sides and it is already set up. All I need to do is easily pop it in and pop it out, and it's a quick setup tent system. It does come with the pegs, the bag as well, so it's nice and compact. This rain fly also repels water great. We tested it in the rain, and you also have a beautiful lighting settings. All you need is your batteries. And the zippers do not get stuck as I'm opening them. The door is wide enough and comfortable enough and easy enough to use with a power port that goes outside the tent and two pockets inside. This was simple, easy to use. It came with everything that we needed and makes camping so much fun. But that's just my point of view.